In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code in Canva, an easy and quick tutorial that's perfect for anyone looking to integrate this powerful tool into their designs. QR codes are incredibly useful for many purposes, such as directing people to a website, a social media profile, or an online menu. So, let's dive into it step by step and get your QR code ready in no time. First up, you'll want to head over to the Canva website. If you haven't already done so, you'll need to log into your account. Whether you're using Canva for graphic design, social media posts, or personal projects, having an account allows you to keep all your creative work organized in one place. Now, assuming you already have a project in mind that needs a QR code, or if you're simply prepping one for future use, go ahead and navigate to the Projects tab, which you can find on the left side panel menu. This section is where Canva keeps all your ongoing and completed designs. Once you're in the Projects area, click on the project you've created. Opening it in the editor is where the real magic happens. With your project open, you'll need to click on any element within your design. This action sets the stage for integrating your new QR code with the rest of the content. Next, look to that left side panel once more, and this time, select Apps. Canva has a range of apps that add extra functionality to your designs, and this is where you'll find the tool you need to create a QR code. In the Apps menu, type QR code into the search bar. The QR code generator should appear as a selectable option. Select the QR code app to proceed. If you're feeling curious, feel free to explore other apps that might benefit your projects as well. When you've clicked on the QR code generator, it's time to determine what link or information you want the QR code to store. In our example, we're creating a QR code for a restaurant poster, so we're going to input the restaurant's URL. Enter the relevant link or information in the provided field. After entering the link, click on Generate Code. Canva will instantly create a QR code that represents the link you've entered. It's almost like creating a scannable portal to your digital destination. With your QR code generated, you have the option to resize and reposition it within your design. Adjust it just the way you like until it complements the overall layout and aesthetics of your project. And there you have it. Once your QR code is sized and positioned perfectly, your design is ready to share. You've just enhanced your project with the added utility of a QR code, making accessing your intended destination as easy as a quick scan.